Next question, express in kg. So here we have to express in kgs. First question, they are given 200 gram. So now 200 gram now kg ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. That means so 200 gram is written as 200 is equal to 200 divided by 1000 kgs because we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 1 kg 1000 gram ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 200 gram divided by 1000 ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Now convert this fraction into decimal, that is 10 cancel 10 cancel 10 cancel 10 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ towards your left shift ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That means 0.2, the remaining is 0.2, that is 0.2 kgs. So we have converted 200 grams to 0.2 kg. Next question, that is they have given 3470 grams. So 3470 grams is written as 3470 by 1000. We have to divide by 1000 only because we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, therefore we should divide only by 1000. Now divide 10 cancel, so 10 means point illinda decimal go shift ಆಗುತ್ತೆ left side. Next 0 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the point shift towards your left side. Now that becomes 3.47. Therefore 3470 gram becomes 3.47 kgs. Next question is 4 kg 8 gram. We can write it as 4 kg plus 8 gram. So 4 kg ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿದೆ and we have to convert only 8 grams in kg. 8 grams ನಾವು kg convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Therefore I'll take 4 kg 8 gram as 4 kg plus 8 divided by 1000. I'll take 8 divided by 1000. Now you convert this 8 gram into kgs. So 10 cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ point will come towards your left. Next 0 cancel, point will shift toward next number, and one more 0 cancel, the point will shift towards your left. Now this becomes 0.008 kg. We know 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, therefore 4 kg plus 0.008 kg ಆಯ್ತು. So the gram I have converted into kg means we write as 0.008 kg. Now when you add these to 4 kg plus 0.008 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we get 4.008 kgs. So we get 4.008 kg. Next question, write the following decimal numbers in expanded form. So we have to write the following numbers, decimal numbers in expanded form. That is the first question, that is 20.03. So we have to write 20.03 expanded form. Now 20.03 is equal to 2 into 10 because 2 is in 10's place. We will write 2 into 10 and 0 into 1 because 0 is in 1's place. 20 can be written as 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1. So next is point and 0 is there. So this 0, how to write this 0? That is we have to write 0 into 1 by 10 because this 0 is in 10th place. That means we have to write 0 into 1 by 10. And next is 3 is 2 digit after decimal point. That means 3 is in 100th place. Therefore we will write 3 into 1 by 100. Now in this way you have to expand and write decimal numbers. Next question is 2.03. Here 2.03, that is 2 is in 1's place, therefore I can write 2 into 1, and 0 is in 10's place, I will write 0 into 1 by 10 plus 0 into 1 by 10, and next 3 is in 100th place, therefore we will write as plus 3 into 1 by 100. Next question 200.03. Here 200.03 is written as 200 is in 100th place, therefore 2 into 100, and 0 is in 10th place, therefore 0 into 10, and this second 0 is in 1's place, so 0 into 1, and next 0 after decimal point we got 0 is in 10th place, that means we will write as 0 into 1 by 10. Next number is 3 is in 100th place, that means we have to write 3 into 1 by 100. So here we have written the numbers in expanded forms. Next question 2.034. So 2.034, here 2 is in 1's place, therefore I can write as 2 into 1. Next number is after the decimal point 0 is in 10th place, that means we have to write 0 into 1 by 10 plus the 3 is in 100th place, therefore I will write 3 into 1 by 100, and 4 is in 1000th place, that is written as 4 into 1 by 1000. Here it is called as 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Therefore, it is written as 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. Sixth question. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. So we have to write the place value of 2 in the following decimal number. Let us write it. First question is 2.56. Here the place value of 2 is in ones place. Therefore I will write as place value of 2 in 2.56 is 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So that is ones place. 2 is in ones place. Next question 21.37. Here the place value of 2 in 21.37 is in 2 into 10, that is in tens place. So we write as 2 into 10 is 20, that is in tens place. Next question 10.25. Here the place value of 2 is in decimal number, that is 2 is in 10th place. Therefore we'll write as place value of 2 in 10.25 is equal to 2 by 10. So we'll write as 2 by 10 because 2 is in 10th place, that means 2 by 10 after the decimal point. Therefore it is written as 0.2. So 2 is in 10th place. See here you can find a difference of tens and tenths. So tens means it's a number 10 and tenths means it is after decimal point. So that is in 10th place. So this is a tens called tens place. It is written as 1 by 10. Next question 9.42. So 9.42, here the place value of 2 in 9.42 is 2 is in 100th place, that is after the decimal point it is in 100th place. Therefore written as 2 by 100 is equal to 0.02, that is in 100th place. Next question is 63.352. Here 63.352, 2 is in the place value of 2 is in thousandth place, that is after the decimal point 2 is in thousandth place. It is written as 2 by 1000 is equal to 0.002, that is in thousandths. See, you can see the spelling, that is ths thousandths. You can see the spellings, that is tenths. After 10 it is ths, that is in after decimal point. Hundredths after the decimal point ths is there, and thousandths means after decimal point it is called thousandths. So 10 means before decimal point, 100 means before decimal point, 1000 means before decimal point. Other ths tenths andre after decimal point, hundredths means 1 by 100, thousandths means 1 by 1000. Next question. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. So Dinesh, so you will go to place A to B and from there you will go to place C. That means Dinesh want to goes to place A to C. ಅವನು A ಇಂದ C ವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Therefore from here you will go to place A and B and from there B again you will go to C. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ರೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ ದಿನೇಶ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಸಿ ಬೈ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಿ ಇಂದ ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ is 7.5 kilometers from B. So A ಇಂದ B ಗೆ we got 7.5 kilometers and from there B is 12.7 kilometers from C. From C to B we got 12.7 kilometers. Okay, next they are given Ayub. Ayub went from place A to place D. So Ayub ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, Ayub will come and he will go from place A to D. He will go to place A to D and then from there to place C. So ತಿರ್ಗಾ again D ಇಂದ C ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. So here Dinesh will go to A to B and C. Ayub will go from A to D and C. Here they are given D is 9.3 kilometers from A. So A ಇಂದ D ಗೆ 9.3 kilometers ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And from there C is 11.8 kilometers from D. So C is 11.8 kilometers from D. Therefore who traveled more and by how much? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದಿನೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಯುಬ. You have to find and by how much, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Let us say distance traveled by Dinesh from A to C. Let us take of Dinesh first. So therefore distance traveled by Dinesh from A to C. So now Dinesh A ಇಂದ C ಗೆ travel ಮಾಡಿದಾನೆ. So he traveled from A to B and then B to C. Therefore A to C travel ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You need A to B plus B to C. AB plus BC ಆಯ್ತು. If you add these 2 kilometers, you will get the total value. Therefore AB plus BC. The value of AB is 7.5 kilometer and BC is 12.7 kilometer. When you add the total, you will get as 20.2 kilometer. Therefore, Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometers to reach C. Now, let us come to Ayub. Distance traveled by Ayub from A to C. So, now Ayub A to C travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So, from reaching D. Therefore, AD plus DC. If you add AD plus DC, you will get the distance traveled by Ayub. Now A to C is you should add AD plus DC. So you should add AD plus DC. Add what you get total distance travel from A to C ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Now the value of AD is 9.3 kilometer and DC is 11.8 kilometer. When you add these two, you get that is 21.1 kilometer. So Dinesh traveled 20.2 kilometer. Now Ayub traveled 21.1 kilometer. By looking at this, you can say that Ayub traveled more. So who traveled more and by how much? Since 21.1 kilometer is more than 20.2 kilometer, you can say that Ayub traveled more. So hence Ayub traveled more distance. By how much? If you subtract 21.1 kilometer by 20.2 kilometer, you will get the distance how much he traveled more. So how much traveled more is that 21.1 kilometer minus 20.2 kilometer, that is 0.9 kilometer. That means Ayub traveled more by 0.9 kilometer. Next question. Question 8. Shama bought 5 kg 300 grams apple and 3 kg 250 gram mangoes. Sarala bought 4 kg 800 grams oranges and 4 kg 150 gram bananas. Who bought more fruits? So we have to find who bought more fruits, Shama or Sarala. If you add two weights of the group, you will get who has purchased more fruits. That is, fruits bought by Shama is equal to 5 kg 300 grams apple plus 3 kg 250 grams mango. You should add these two, that is 5.300 kg apple plus 3.250 kg mangoes. When you add, the total is 8.550 kg of fruits. Shama bought 8.550 kg of fruits. Let us see how much fruits bought by Sarala. So fruits bought by Sarala, that is 4 kg 800 grams of oranges plus 4 kg 150 grams of bananas. So if you add these two, that is 4.800 kg of oranges plus 4.150 kg of bananas. By adding these two, we get 8.950 kg of fruits. Sarala bought 8.950 kg of fruits. Since 8.950 kg is greater than 8.550 kg, therefore Sarala bought more fruits. Next question. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer? This is so simple. That is, they asked how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 kilometer. If you subtract these two, you will get how much less is 28 kilometer. Solution. Since 28 kilometer is lesser than 42.6 kilometer, we will subtract 42.6 kilometer minus 28.0 kilometer, you will get 14.6 kilometer. Hence 28 kilometer is less than 42.6 kilometer by 14.6 kilometer. So here we have come to the end of this part, exercise 2.5. Thank you.